explain the contribution of international convention and regulation in protecting the environment from pollution caused by shipping activities. Shipping is essential for global trade, but it can also cause pollution through oil spill, sewage, garbage, harmful chemicals, ballast, water, and air emissions. To reduce this environment, in fact, the several international conventions have been established. First is MARPOL 7378, which stands for the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ship. It is considered the most important international agreement. Kinaimportantehan ko na agreement sa international. For preventing marine pollution, MARPOL sets rules to control pollution from oil, chemicals, sewage, garbage, and air emissions. It also requires ships to use pollution prevention equipment and properly manage waste before it discharged into the sea. Second is the OPRC Convention of 1990, or International Convention on Oil Pollution Preparedness, Response, and Cooperation. This convention requires ship and coastal countries to have emergency plans for responding to oil spill. It also encourages countries to work together so that pollution incident can be handled quickly and effectively, reducing damage to the marine environment. Third is the London Convention and the 1996 London Protocol. These agreements regulate the dumping of waste and materials into the ocean. They prohibit or strictly control the disposal of harmful substances at sea, helping to protect marine life and water quality. Fourth is the ballast water. Managed convention ships use ballast water for stability, but this water can carry to another. This carry invasive species from one country to another. This convention requires ships to manage the treat ballast water before releasing it, preventing its spread of harmful aquatic organisms and protecting biodiversity. Civil Liability Convention, or CLC, and the Bunker Oil Convention. These conventions ensure the ship owners are financially responsible for pollution caused by ship. They provide compensation for clean operation and environment. Damage encourage ship owners to operate and safely and responsibly. In conclusion, these conventions play a vital role in protecting the marine environment. They help prevent pollution, protect marine ecosystem, and prevent emergency response to accident, promote responsible ship practice, and ensure the responsible for pollution are held accountable. And that's all. Thank you for listening.